my pucks in. My leveling blocks, leveling kit, leveling pucks. I got them in so that we can change the front tires. Super excited. They had no clearance, so that's what we're doing right now. We gotta take all this off right here, and it sits in there. And into the action. We measured it out, and they're gonna fit. How much were these wheels and tires? As much as almost what the truck costs.
Easy.
Careful.
That's his work jacket.
Not the work jacket. Oh yeah, baby. Look how cute she is. Tammy. I love it. You go, little man. You throw me up, I'm a little fucked up.
Can you jack it up a little bit?
Yeah. I'm coming. Oh, that sucks. Look at that. It's so close.
Order what you call it? Leveling kit. Leveling kit for it?
Nah, we don't have to. We can just tear it apart.
It does look cool.
Yeah, it does look good.
If they were 35s, it would fit.
I got my pucks in. My leveling blocks, leveling kit, leveling pucks. I got them in so that we can change the front tires. Super excited. They had no clearance, so that's what we're doing right now. We gotta take all this off right here, and it sits in there and makes it, well, I think I got 2.5-inch ones. And yeah, then we'll be able to put the new wheels on and be able to actually drive it without being in fear for our lives. So, got bored today. Welded my name on there, first time. Mira, not too bad, way. A little rusty. Isn't that cute? So something died in the cab as well. I got it all clean and it smells so good, but something died and it smells like death in here. I got this Ozium spray. I got this. It works pretty good for like 15 minutes and then it stinks again, but we're just gonna leave the windows and doors open. It can air out and I think it'll be fine. It'll be fine. So this also happened today. I'm gonna tell you, not that impressed with my Wrangler jeans. I haven't even had them a year. Take these out, right? And compress the springs and it goes in here.
Yeah, so we'll take this shock deal loose. Take the shock loose down there. We'll put the compressors on it, shrink the spring down. We'll take this sway bar loose, so that way the axle can go down.
Okay.
And then once these are compressed, you'll put the puck back in here, and then the shock and all that'll go back in there.
Okay. Let's
Shouldn't
go.
be too bad.
Yeah, there's too much shit in there. There we go.
Does the spring feel loose or is it still pretty tight?
That's really loose.
So, see the problem with the shock is you gotta be able to hold that bitch.
See, when you twist it.
No, that actually has.
Now to find our pucks.
The pucks are big. Tore apart. Look up. Okay. Huh?
Yeah.
If you open it up, it should go all the way down. This is. Sorry, I dropped all your finger. I'm sorry, I dropped on your feet. What do you reckon?
How tight do you want to get it?
Tighter the better. The wetter the sweater. Oh shit. Put the fucking White Claw on the top of the ladder.
Stop!
Why do you put that where somebody's gonna be standing?
Look, and I'm not mad at you.
Yeah, she's in 3 White Claws today and hadn't drank any of them.
No, this was my second one. I drank the first one. What did I say?
Oh,
Well, I go slower, so then you just take over.
I didn't say anything about anything that you were doing.
Where? Oh.
Where's that other bolt?
I was like, where is the shock? I don't know. Freaking Cam's clap wagon got oil on the floor. Yes, I think it's hurt.
That's fine.
It might be like it's getting too cool. Like kind of cooled down.
Alright, we can play with the wildlife later. All the fun that. I was trying to video and my ass ran into it. I was like backing up to get to you. Lola, what is it?
Be nice. Be sweet. Good girl. Good girl.
It's about to get squished.
Easy. Be easy.
She doesn't know which one to go.
The girls are checking out how bad the truck stinks.
Go see Mama.
Here, find it. Find it. Where is it, girls? Come here, Lola. Where is it? Find it. Because Mama don't know where it is either. I can't find it.
It's definitely right back over there.
Uh-huh. Where is it? I don't see nothing. I don't know where it is. I don't know. So it's...
There it is.
It's... Oh, God. It's in here. Holy shit, that stinks.
Yeah, we just need to get this piece off.
How'd it get in there?
Oh my God.
Oh, God. Get my drink away from there.
Why are you always looking at me?
Why are you looking at me? Oh, look at that.
Can you grab
Which? The pry bar? Yeah, that big tire one. Does not approve of the hole in my butt. Keeps ruining all her videos. What'd you do?
Butt cheeks.
I didn't mean to show. Moment of truth. Whew, she's tight, but she ain't hitting. I mean, if we go into a dip, she's stitching.
But it doesn't rub right now.
No. She'll work for about a month or two. Aesthetically pleasing as that. Oh my gosh. Poor baby. Good this looks. Ooh. So we bought this truck as a donor to this one, but this one has turned into the donor for this one. Just had a really traumatic experience. Y'all are wondering why I don't have pants on and my shoes are off. It's because I have the size of Texas hole in these pants and I sat on the floor to freaking put the lug nuts on and this little bitch just stung me in my pants. Here's where it stung me. Ooh, I've never gotten my pants off that fast in my life. I was freaking out, man. I couldn't get them off fast enough. So needless to say, I'm done for the day. That was the end of it for me. That's it. I'm done.
Roll the tire.
Okay.
Camera's just
This one's not that bad, is it?
pretty shitty.
That's the best one out of all of them.
Well, yeah.
We found it. It was in the like speaker hole. Ooh, he had a nest. Do you want needle nose now? Oh, son of a. I want to puke. Ew, ew, ew. Where's the animal though?
We got a little more to go.
It was
Yeah,
the.
there it is.
Nuh-uh. Please don't throw that on me. I want to see it.
It's a baby.
All that from that smell. I mean, all that smell from that. Oh, it's so cute. Baby. No, that's so sad.
Smell it and see if that stinks.
This window tint has bonded to the windows so strong. Blake's kicking my ass.
We both started at the same time, so
Yeah.
if anybody's wondering.
He's doing so much better than me.
Just make sure you don't cut it to the headline. See what I'm saying?
You're a good job.
I'll hand you one side. It's all sprayed.
Just how we did.
Yeah.
God, it smells so much better in here without the dead animal. I'm so happy that we found that, because that would have taken a long time to not stink. Hey, Nana. And just like that, boys.